What's up guys, welcome back to Subliminal Nation. In this video, I will teach you how to make subliminals. So first, we need two things, basically three. Number one, affirmation. Number two, a software called Audacity. It's free and open source and you can download this software from internet. And I will not show you the installation process. You can Google it and watch on YouTube. And the third, the most important thing, we need a free text-to-speech website to create our affirmation audio track. So I have loaded some affirmations that I have written in this website. And then we choose a voice. I'm choosing this voice, US English Kimberly. You can choose any voice that you want. Now, simply click on download as MP3. When you click on it, you will see that a file has been downloaded and it's your affirmations that we have just created. Simply drag and drop into Audacity. So this is our first step. It's very easy and anyone can do it. Now select this track by clicking over here, basically left click. Now either press Ctrl+D to duplicate this track or simply go on edit, then click duplicate. Now here we have two same audio tracks. So select the second one and go to effects above here, click on it, then select change tempo, set the tempo to 100 and blue tick this, use high quality stretching slow, and then click on apply and it will start working and the tempo, basically the speed will change. Let's see how does it sound. First we will check how the first audio track sounds.
I accept all the affirmations from the subliminal and allow them.
Sounds pretty good. Now the second one.
I accept all the affirmations from the subliminal.
Very nice. Now simply select the second track, press Ctrl+C and then click the right arrow button on your keyboard, then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Now here we have a stack of audio affirmations. Now simply press Ctrl+A, or what you can do is go to edit, select and select all, Ctrl+A, and now go to tracks, go to mix and click on mix and render. Now here we have a single audio affirmation track with both speeded up and non-speeded up audio track, affirmation track. Now simply drag and drop, import any background sound, music, whatever you like, just to hide the affirmation. And I will choose from my folder the brown noise. I will drag and drop. Now this brown noise is very long, so what I'm gonna do is first, also I want to I want this subliminal to be a little like longer, 2 to 3 minutes. So I will select the affirmation track, press Ctrl plus C, then click right arrow, then Control V. And here we go. Here we have the affirmation for your track. Now I want to cut this extra part. So what I will do is just hover my mouse pointer on this area. This here. Then hold my left click and drag it to the end of this brown noise track and press delete. And now it's done. Almost 90%. Now if I play it, how does it sound?
I accept all the affirmations from the Subliminal.
So the affirmation sounds is pretty loud. So I will just go here and drag this slider to the left to the lowest point so that I barely hear any affirmation. You may hear affirmation, but it's a must point that you do not understand them consciously. That's the whole point of the subliminal, so that the affirmation will get understood only by your subconscious mind. So let's see how this sounds. I hear the whisper sound, and it's a great sign. And that's the way we make subliminals. It may differ in music because there are many methods to create subliminal, and those methods also work. So I don't think many people use music as subliminals for long-term usage, and I choose the brown noise for long-term usage because it's pleasant to the ears and safe as well. So now it's done. All we need is to export. Now click on File, then go down and click on Export Audio. Choose the destination folder. You can choose from here. I have chosen the Subliminal tutorial on the desktop. And now we will name the subliminal. My subliminal name will be Jawline, Sharp, Jawline, Subliminal, Brown Noise. And I will choose the format, WAV format for the highest quality. I will choose stereo. Let's keep this as like this, and choose the entire project. By default, you will see all these settings. And click on Export. Here we go. And let's check my folder. Here we go. Here we have the subliminal that we have created. Let's play it. Perfect. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, because you subscribe and you thrive with the subliminal audios that I create for you. The only channel, your favorite YouTube channel for subliminals, that is Subliminal Nation.